Hello, collective. Let's see your situation for this month of February, okay? Let me connect to your energy. My headache is gone. Okay. Okay, collective. Overall, energy for this February is there is something that triggers you and you see because of the synchronicity that you're seeing around, might be the name of the person, car, or place that you are ready to compromise, okay? Because as of now, you feel trapped in your situation, and probably there's a legal that you're doing to free yourself because you are still in scared and in panic mode. You have an anxiety. Okay, thank you so much, Tarot Angels. I hope you're doing fine. Okay, Tarot Angels, what's gonna happen to my collective for this month of February? Please, Tarot Angels, help us so my collective will gain a clarity. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Dear collective, whatever you're going through as of now, I just want you to know that the truth will be, you will gain a clarity. There be a news that coming on your way. Okay. I think it could hurt you. Because I don't know, as Ace of Swords doesn't really make me feel that way, but in this energy, I'm feeling is the swords will hurt me. Okay, probably it will the muse will bring by the woman, Aquarius might be resonate to you, and this woman will try to tell you things that in her way might be for her not be blunt, but it will be honest, okay, for you, and fair. This is about the conflict around you, the things that you've been struggling, might be family, about territory, okay, or about the unruliness, and you will be feeling trapped or strict, and you will have fear and hopeless. I don't really want to have a negative reading, but okay, I don't want to tell you good things. I want you to be prepared, because you need to surrender whatever that's happening. I'm not saying that you accept everything, but you have to fight what you believe in and surrender. What I mean is that you're not fighting if you're wrong, okay? You're not going to make a conflict to other person. What do you want to do with these people around you that causing a scene. If you want to fight and you want them to hear your voice and you want them to know how you feel, that they've been hurting you, please do so. If you want to stay away, it's up to you. Okay? Aquarius might be resonate. There will be change around you because of this news. And you have to surrender, okay? You have to walk away. Because you will, if not, you will go to self-sabotaging yourself. Okay? Thank you so much, Tarot Angels. What is the you might not know what to do, okay? I'm sensing your energy as of now. Please breathe in, breathe out. I'm sending you some love and be ready, because you have to fight what you believe and what you really feel, okay? Tarot Angels, please help us. What my collective guides want them to know. Please help us. Please help us. Okay. Since we had a lot of time, I will take these 5 cards. Okay. There's a feminine spirit. This might be also a person, might be a personal reading. Feminine might be your grandmother, your mother, your aunt, that you feel like you're being nurtured by this person. I want you to tell that there will be a soul recognition, okay? There will be someone that will help you and will collaborate and partnership with you. And this might be about love, someone that will love you. Someone that will make you feel like it's okay to love yourself. Okay, you don't have to be people pleaser. This feminine spirit guide want to tell you that you have the right for your joy, to choose peace and the life that you want. Whatever conflict that's happening for you this month, your guide's telling you that no matter what happens, your happiness is about to happen. So keep going. That's their promise, okay? So collective, please be true to what you feel. Stop prioritizing other people and prioritize yourself. I'm sending you some love and prayers, and I hope that you will find, and you already find what you really want to do. I can feel that. It's just that you have to voice out, okay, collective? And always smile. Always pray what's in your heart. Bye!